Guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, I am excited to share my new project that is multi-language translation, and I can also launch this project as a Chrome extension, so everyone can use this extension to translate any text to any language. So first of all, I can run my fast API. So I can also show you the demo. So I can run this. I can launch the server. Here is my URL. I can copy it and paste it over here. Application is running. So this is the home first page URL. So I can go to the docs. Here is the um, uh, UI fast API that I can make. So I can try it, and I can pass text and destination language, means which language we can want to translate the text. Suppose we some text we can pass, and I want to translate into Urdu, Hindi, Arabic, German, any language you want. So I can pass the text and language. So I can pass some text and translated language I can select to German. So I can execute it. This can get the text and generate the response. Here is the text. Here is the response, and give back the response. This is the response. So in this is first, this can run in my local. Sorry. Now I can tell you, I can make a Chrome extension there, so that I can use as a Chrome extension of this project. So here is my research paper. There is some research paper that I can get from Chrome. So now I want this text. Suppose we cannot understand English language, so I want to translate this text into any language we want to understand. So we can select the text and right click over there, and you can see translate selected text. If I can click on translate selected text, it can translate this text into language that I can select. So first of all, I cannot show you a UI for language selection. So I can after this conversion, I can show you the UI that you can use to select any language. Translation, the translation should be happen. So a translation should be in Arabic format. So here is the UI, here is the Arabic translation. So this is the hard coded. Now I want to translate this text into Hindi, Urdu, Chinese, Japanese, and any language you want. So here is the extension that I can make. So now I can click over here. Here is the language, multi-language. So now I want to translate this text into Hindi, and save over here, and I can select it over again, and I can right click and translate selected text. Now at this time this text should be translated into Hindi. So I can show you, there is the, and this is Hindi. Now want to translate the text into Urdu. Can I do it? Yeah, definitely I can do this. So I can select the text and right click. The first of all I can save the Urdu language. Just a minute. I can select the Urdu language. Urdu. And I can save the Urdu language. I can save over here. Now I can select the text that I want to translate. And I can right click over here and translate the selected text. So this text can go to my backend API. Here is the text that I can select. And target language is Urdu. So here is the Urdu language translation that come back over here. So we can easily read this text into Urdu format. Now I can translate this text into some other language. I can try over Japanese. So I can save over here, and then I can right click, and same text I can want to translate into Japanese and translate selected text. This text go to my backend. This and translate to Japanese. So hope you can understand it. So here is the text that I can get in Japanese. So here's this project. I can make this using LangChain, a Groq API. I can use the LLMs, Groq, and I can also make this Chrome extension, and I can put the Chrome extension in the Chrome browser.
Also this project is deployed on AWS. So I can opt the AWS services because it can charges over me, and this project is fully automated, means we can use a GitHub action and also use the Docker. So for containerization is I can explain the
CI pipeline. So first of all, it can push the code on GitHub and install all the dependencies and fetch the Groq API that I can set on GitHub environment. And also after installing all the dependencies, it can install AWS CLI, so we can log in over AWS and set all the necessary conditions, necessary configuration for AWS. After this, it can log in over Docker, so we can make the Docker image of the project. It can build the image and push the image to Docker Hub. So after push the Docker Hub, we can do the deployment. So for deployment purpose, we can use EC2. So using EC2, first of all, we can log in over EC2 using our private key, and it can pull the Docker image, stop all the previous app that is running, run the latest image, and run the latest image, so we can use this image in the production. So here is in my end-to-end project, we can use ChatGPT, we can use the LangChain, Groq API, Docker, AWS for deployment purpose. Everything we can combine in a single project. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.